In few minutes, I'll be able to show you exactly how you can create this AI renovation time-lapse video from the beginning and a single frame down to the final step. All you need to do is to watch this video to the very end. These particular AI renovation videos are blowing up on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube as well. And you can also create these, guys. Now, many people feel this is complex, but with this workflow, step-by-step workflow, I'll break it down from the beginning to the end exactly how you can do this, and I have done it as well. Without wasting time, let us dive into my laptop. Alright guys, so welcome to my document, and as you already know, I always make my AI prompt available in our Telegram community, and the link of our Telegram community is in the comment section and in the description. So first off, to create our AI renovation time-lapse video, let us copy master prompt. This is not just a regular prompt. This is a directive prompt. This is the technical prompt that help you scale through your video. So paste it in Chatgbt over here and heat it up. Now, once you heat it up, Chatgbt is going to remain inactive. Now, you have to go ahead and type the word start. And immediately it start the generation for you, and here we go. Now we have 10 options of what we can create, what we want to create. All right, so we have a luxury rooftop penthouse, modern glass villa and stuff. So I think we are going to start with the number one, and all you need to do is just click on number one and sign up, and immediately it gives us a step-by-step way of creating our video from the raw image state to the raw image state in progress to the final and completed, the furnished and unfurnished, everything from the beginning. And Chatgbt is now generating this in two sequences as usual, trying to get a review from me which one I prefer, guys. So we have gotten our script of our video. This is the script slash prompt of our video from the beginning to the end, and technically Chatgbt makes everything very easy for you. And now let me explain everything to you what this means. Image A is simply the prompt that you are going to use to generate the image for the video you need. So go ahead and copy this and head on to what we call the Google ImageFX. Now when you are here, you can paste the prompt you copied over there, just paste it over here. And what many creators fail to do is to remove this raw state. So always remove this and then hit up. Now what are we initially trying to do? We are trying to create our first frame, and that is what is called video foundation. Now we have our first frame right here, and which one do you think has more visibility to your taste? I think this works well, so you download it, guys. And after you have done that, you are coming back. So there is something that we need to do that you need to pay attention. If you lose or if you skip any step, you're going to lose your whole AI renovation time-lapse video. So heading up, welcome to Google Gemini over here. So we're going to be using Nano Banana Pro to proceed with what we want to do, guys. So once you're here, click on create image, change from fast to pro. We are doing technical directives, so we are going to stay on the pro version. Then go ahead and upload the first image we downloaded over here. Now we have done that precisely. So come back to Chatgbt and then copy the image in progress, guys. So this is raw state 1, raw state 2. Then we have our image in progress. So after uploading the first one, we are now going to use this particular one, which is the image B in progress. Copy the prompt of image B in progress. After uploading your first image, now paste. So Nano Banana Pro will now automatically use our first image in progress. I was initially supposed to remove this. In case of next time, do it. And here we go. Now our image 2 has been generated using Nano Banana Pro, and you can see there is work in progress. So what you have to do, go ahead and download, go ahead and upload it to Chatgpt again. Now this is the first one, this is the second one. Upload it and then go back to Chatgpt, copy the completed unfurnished prompt over here and head back to Gemini. So paste this and add this. using the reference image. So let me explain practically why I see we are doing technical directive over here. Now this using the reference image, we can use it without having to upload an image right here, and it will pick up straight up from the one we got over here, and I'll show you that practically. Now you now smash it, and Chatgbt starts with the image C, which is the completed but unfurnished. Let us see what Nano Banana Pro generates for us. And bingo, Nano Banana Pro has generated our completed but unfurnished frame of our video. So you go ahead and download this now and head back. Now I will show you practically the technical directive I was talking about. So copy the image D, which is the completed furnished, then head back to Gemini. Now paste this prompt and then just copy this over out, clear this out and impute. So after adding the using reference image, smash it and let us see what Nano Banana Pro generates for us. And here we go. We have a fully furnished glass living room of a penthouse, guys. So everything is now generated. We have our 4 frames from the scratch to the furnished and completed. Now comes the most important step, which is called the execution. So if you skip this video right here, you are not done. We just have static images. We need to bring them to life to represent the AI innovation time-lapse video. We move to flow. Now click on new project. Once you come to flow over here, guys, we're going to be using this to bring everything to life, and this is the execution path. Like I said, if you miss anything right here, you have missed the whole entire work. So going up, we're going to be clicking and selecting frame to video over here, and make sure this is on the value 3.1. so go ahead and upload your reference images. For instance, this is the raw image, so this is image 1. We are going to be uploading it as the start frame, and should in case it need any cropping, just do that and it will be uploaded immediately, guys. Next up, we'll be uploading the frame 2. Okay, so upload the second image as frame 2, guys. So this is image A to B. Alright, so go ahead and upload that. Head back to Chatgbt and then head on to the image. Now video 1, image A to B. So copy this particular prompt over here and head back to flow. So paste it here and clear this off. So we are working with image A to B, guys. So always have that in mind. I'm merging 2 of them as the first frame and the last frame, then send. So yeah, our first video has been generated. Let us preview what we have. Alright, so looking at this clearly, you can see the workflow, the cinematic workflow, how the time lapse is moving, and the renovation is currently in progress. Next up, we are going to be following up with the second scene. So upload this, go over here, upload the second generated image. Now you have to upload this as the first frame. Now if you're not careful, you might miss this because it's somehow confusing. So you are going to be uploading the second one now as the first frame. Then I will show you what to do. Okay, now we have cropped that one. Now the second image we used is now our first frame, guys. So go ahead and upload image C now. So image C, which is this, as our second frame for this. So just go ahead and crop it if need be. Okay, and then crop. So head back to Chatgbt. So we are going to be copying the image B to C now, the prompt for this, and then we head back to flow. So paste the prompt and clear this particular header over here and send. Alright, so video 2 has been generated. Let us preview. Alright, so video 2 has been generated and you can see the furnishing. Now this is fully furnished, but then this is completed but not furnished. So let us download this as well as original and head back. Now we're going to be uploading image C as our first frame. So image C now. So image D would now be representing our second frame, which is the one we're going to be uploading now. Go ahead and head back to Chatgbt, then copy image C to D, which is this over here. Copy it and head back to flow and paste over here. So remove this video 3, image C to D, and then smash it. Alright, so this is now we have created our third video. Let's preview. Alright, so you can see how it is. The constructors, everything is working together. Now, the last video we're gonna be creating now is the video 4. So let us upload our last frame. Now, this is where it gets a bit tricky. I understand, and I know definitely you are thinking we still need to upload one as the first frame and the other as the last frame, but in this case it actually differs a bit. So when it comes to this, you simply go to the prompt and you can see final cinematic hold video 4. There's nothing like image C to D again, just this. Copy the final prompt and head back to flow over here, guys. So we have uploaded our image. Okay, so our final frame has been uploaded. Then I'll paste this and remove this, guys. So now we'll send it across. Alright, so our final video has been generated. Let us preview. Alright, so we have generated our final frame and now we have our 4 videos ready to use, guys. So the next step is very crucial and very critical. If you miss this step, you miss everything. So we now have our static image, we now have our videos brought to life, but there's one thing that keeps high retention, and that is called the background sound. Using that, we're going to be using this prompt to get our background sound right. I'm going to be using Suno AI to do that, guys. So go ahead and paste a prompt over here. So make sure the instrumental option is selected, then hit on create. And immediately you can see Suno is creating songs for us over here. Upgrade for full song. Okay, let us play what is free and see what we can do. Now you can edit and remix your songs if you want. So let us preview this one. Okay, let's preview this. Okay, I think this works. Alright, so we're gonna be using this one over here. Go ahead and download this. Click on MP3 audio and our music is going to be downloaded ASAP. So we have downloaded our audio. Head out to the final step. CapCut, click on new video. This is the final step in CapCut. So I'll add my background sound and I'll trim it. So guys, we're going to be doing some edit together right here, and this doesn't need transition because that make it feel too edited. So let us preview this. And bingo, so we have our full AI renovation video made ready. So you can see we have everything intact. You can go ahead and cut out the thin air or the thin line where there's no sound and keep everything professional. You can go ahead and adjust this in case you feel to crop it properly and there are some dark spots. You can just go ahead and edit your work so it will stay professional, guys. So we have succeeded in creating our time-lapse renovation video successfully without spending a dime, guys. So this is how you get this done, guys. So let me do this and go ahead and edit, go ahead and download this, guys. So export it, it's exporting, and here you can see the final result, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more updates. See you all next time.